Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper of Saturday, March the 25th, 2023. No, actually it's today Sunday, 26th. No, it's the edition of Friday, March the 24th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku, and now it's time for the Tectonic, yes. Tectonic with 1 star. Number, this will be number 6178. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard one has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits, and it's also indicated with 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, this is really a 1 star puzzle. We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. 1 single box. Do we have more? No. Then, the following question, do we have dual box? I see here only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Alright. Triple boxes then. Do we have here triple boxes in this puzzle? No. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright. Let me see. Let me see. More quadra boxes? No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, let me see, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Here. Mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Here, another one. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. More? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 then. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Oh, forgot this. This is a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. So we have 2 quadra boxes here, 1 and there 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. Then. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 there. If I place the 3 here, then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there, but we already have the 3 there. So it's not the solution place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Right. 4 and 5. Then. Let me think. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. Then let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that box can be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1. That box should be a 2. Alright. Then, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Thinking. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be 4. These 3 boxes surrounding 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this cross area should be there. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, and this box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This, yeah. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And 3 goes there. These two boxes. Oh, wait. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 1. 2 and 1, 2 and 1. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Then. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 and this quadra box should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Okay. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. We have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. Here also 4 and 5. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 to 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here also. Okay, I think this box should be 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Need to wait. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I'm thinking. 2, 5, 2, 5, and a 3. Need a 3 here. Ay. 1, 2. I'm thinking. Need a 3 and a 5 here. 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. Here can be 4. What's happening? What's happening now? What's happening? 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Well, I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 3 boxes. And I need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes, so not the solution place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright, now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, so 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, okay. Here also 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of these 3 boxes. I need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes, of course. So this box should be a 5, that box should be a 3, and these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there, and 1 box left in this quarter box for number 2. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Finish in 16 minutes. Not faster than 15 minutes, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the last puzzle of the Saturday edition, the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.